Hi, this is Bee.
And I'm Jeff.
From Sorcery Soap, and we went to the Pinterest conference today because we needed to add fuel to our creative well. We were feeling a bit flat, and we've been working really hard trying to keep soap dough in stock, and so we thought we would go get some new ideas just to see what we could drum up. Not that we wanted to do anything that was there, we just wanted to be around other creative people.
And it was very interesting. When we first got there, it was about 500 people waiting in line, it seemed like, and I was one of 2 men in line. So I was wondering what we were getting into. So yeah, when we went in there, it was really cool though. They have a lot of really creative stuff that people are making. That's a lot of small businesses, really cool.
Yeah, and I didn't expect to see anybody that I knew at all because I'd never been or anything. But a couple soap makers recognized us from YouTube, which we found really funny and entertaining and delightful. They were really lovely people. And that would be Shirley Road Soaps and Sparrow. And we did buy soap.
Yeah, we bought more soap.
Right.
Their soaps are really cool though.
Yeah, so awesome. And they use soap dough, which is crazy. I started looking at it thinking, oh, I think that's soap dough. And sure enough, there's this so adorable soaps, and their booths were really nice.
Yeah.
And then there's this stuff that we ran across. You'll see it in the video that you touch it and it feels like nothing. And so she put some in my hand as a little demo, and then she poured water on top of it. And I thought the water was going to spill everywhere. It didn't. It just absorbed into this white stuff that looks like snow, but feels like zero. It feels like nothing. Like you can't even tell it's in your hand.
Yeah, other than getting cold when it absorbed the water.
Right. That was fun. And
it was like cold ice or cold snow that was soft.
Right, it was really soft, like air, really fluffy. And you could even feel powdered sugar more than you could feel this stuff. And then we stopped by an embroidery store. She was just a little quiet time, but super busy. And there was honey people and bee people and lots of soap people. Well, not lots, I take that back. There was a handful of soap people. They were the most fun booths, of course. And
a lot of cosmetics, hair products, lotions.
Personal security.
Personal security, yes. Right next to
Sparrow.
Sparrow, the soap booth. Right next to him was this lady, older lady, 60-something years old, late 60s, and she had a stun gun. So when people weren't coming into the booth, she would just zap it and
scared everybody.
Yeah,
that was awesome. But anyway, we just wanted to show you what we did today because, I write in a book, an enchanted book of peculiar ideas and soap potions about how to get inspired and stay inspired. And one of the things I say in there is when you're really bored or you're really flat, just troll Pinterest, look at things that inspire you. And when I saw the conference coming up, instead of doing that, we just actually went there. And that was even so much better than looking at Pinterest. And Pinterest is awesome. And so it's not like just because you do soap or whatever craft doesn't mean that you can't look at other things to get inspired. And we came home and Jeff decided to make a casserole, which was cool. So we had casserole for dinner, and that was inspired and creative. So it doesn't even matter what it is. It's just like adding a little bit of interest to your day. And
absolutely.
And that's what I write about in that book. And so, so we actually put it to good work today. So anyway, watch the video and like and subscribe if you want. You're a grown person. And if you do subscribe, hit the little bell next to it, and so that you know when we upload videos. We're striving to upload 2 videos a week now. And we might do a little bit more, but for right now, just that's our schedule, 2 videos a week, and add more soaps, more creative and unique soaps. So anyway, thank you for watching, and it was so good to meet everybody today, and I had fun, didn't you?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Bye. Is this soap?
No, it's like icing.
Looks like soap.
Cake decorating.
Oh, maybe it is.
I'm going to pretend it's soap. Just kidding. Wait, let me go back so you can get that.
You are having a killer time so far. I wanted to give you a rundown on how things are going to work. Anytime you want to take some.
What is it? It doesn't stick to anything. Our kits are 20. You get 2 bags of snow, and this is a bag of snow.
Here I was filming, but I didn't know I was filming until later on when I checked the video. And this is how nice Maegan was. She just smiled at us.
Yum. This is so pretty. Right. I want one though.
I know. What was your name?
Jeff.
Jeff, I'm Megan. Nice to meet you.
Everybody recognizes him like on the internet. Yeah? He's like on a couple of my videos. I know.
He just came and started helping me.
Adorable. Really and truly. I'm gonna do this. Yes, ma'am.
I had to film this booth because it was so adorable and the whole thing was set up beautifully. And the ladies were really, really nice. They designed all these tools themselves.
No, this is our first time. Congratulations on your booth setup. I love it. I love it. Look who I met. Hi. Uh-oh, here we go. We're leaving. Here. There it is. Hi, handsome dog. Here. We'll make you more handsome. Look at that. You like it when I do that? There. Truman. All right. Goodbye.